700 feet per minute. Oh wow. See all of them. Big ol' line of them. How's it going? Just like elevators. That's just like elevators, that's why I'm filming.
I was in an elevator in another building, an apartment building up on the north side. They had just replaced their elevator panel, and on the thing, it said self-sanitizing buttons.
Oh
How the
yeah.
hell do they do that?
Honestly, I don't know.
Huh?
I
It
don't
doesn't
know.
make any sense. It was a little white button. How does it sanitize itself? It doesn't make any sense.
Yeah. They're expensive though. I've heard
Huh?
it's like $100 for like a pack of 10 or something.
Well, in an apartment building, I mean, it's not, it's not gonna, but how can a button self-sanitize? I don't understand it.
Yeah, I don't know.
Huh?
Probably has like some sort of chemicals or something, like on a Lysol wipe or something maybe.
I know, but nothing wipes it. I mean, you push a button and then you leave. So, I mean, what wipes?
Beats me.
I don't know what's self-sanitizing elevator buttons, but
Yeah,
I
right.
never saw that before.
I think those use like really strong like UV lights.
Oh, weird.
Oh, I've heard of those. I've heard of those. Yeah, I know they use those in hospitals. Take care.
Look at this lobby. This is beautiful. Oh, look at the mailbox too. Wow.